Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Fireproof document box. You can get this product on Amazon for about $66. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a good quality product. The document box comes with instructions on how to use the combination lock. Setting up the box is very easy and only takes a few seconds. The collapsible design makes it very convenient to store the box when it's not in use. The box comes with 3 adjustable hanging rails for letter size and legal size folders. The document box is very sturdy and has a large capacity. The zipper is fireproof and the combination lock is very easy to use. Thanks to the large capacity, the document box has plenty of room for a lot of documents and other valuables. I tested the document box for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very nice product. It has plenty of room for my most important documents and it doesn't look too bad on my shelf. So if you are looking for a fire-resistant and waterproof document box with a large capacity and a collapsible design, I would recommend the Fireproof document box. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.